Zenraatelier.com. Review: is this online store legit? If you've come across Zenraatelier.com and are wondering whether it's a legitimate online store or potentially a scam, this review will walk you through what the site appears to offer, key trust indicators to check, and whether it seems safe to shop from before entering personal or payment information. Zenraatelier.com presents itself as an e-commerce store, selling fashion items, accessories, or lifestyle products. The idea of stylish products and attractive pricing can be enticing, but looks can be deceiving if the site lacks essential trust factors that shoppers should expect from credible online retailers. Getting started with Zenraatelier.com usually involves browsing product categories, selecting items you're interested in, and proceeding to checkout either as a guest or by creating an account. A clean layout and easy navigation can make browsing feel smooth, but visual design alone doesn't guarantee legitimacy or reliability. One of the first things to check with any online store is transparency. Legitimate e-commerce sites provide clear business contact information, including email or phone support, a physical business address, and detailed terms of service and privacy policies. If these elements are missing, vague, or look generic, that's a sign to be cautious. Payment security is another major factor. Trusted websites use secure payment gateways and display SSL encryption, a padlock icon in the browser's address bar, to protect your financial information during checkout. If payment methods are limited, unusual, or lack clear security indicators, that raises concerns about safety. Customer reviews and feedback also provide useful insight. Genuine reviews tend to mention specific details like delivery times, product quality, and interactions with customer service. Generic or overly positive testimonials with little real detail make it harder to determine whether the store delivers as promised. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Zenraatelier.com may give a positive first impression with a clean layout, organized product categories, and SSL encryption that helps protect your payment data during checkout if it's present. Easy navigation and clearly visible items can make browsing feel straightforward. On the downside, the cons focus on credibility and verification. Limited or missing business transparency, such as no clear contact information or physical address, makes it harder to confirm who runs the Atelier store. Few verifiable customer reviews and unclear or absent shipping and return policies are warning signs worth noting. When customer support isn't easy to find or responsive, resolving issues after a purchase can be difficult. In summary, while Zenraatelier.com may look like a functioning fashion store at first glance, the lack of transparent business details and limited reliable feedback suggest you should proceed with caution. If you choose to shop there, protect yourself by using secure payment methods and seeking additional reviews or information to confirm the store's legitimacy before submitting sensitive details.